Do you have an older car and wish your plastic didn't look this gray and ugly? All this sunburnt stuff, you clean it and stuff, still doesn't do anything. Well, there's a pretty easy way to fix that. If you look on this side, I started the process. You can see the difference, and the main difference is I've done half of this windshield trim. So on the right side, it is treated with a plastic restorer, and this side still back to the old gray, ugly self. There's a little stuff on it, but it's actually pretty nice. I'll show you the process. It's not very difficult. You just gotta clean it, dry it. I use some alcohol after to make sure we get rid of everything that's on there, especially any oils, and then apply the product. This is all you're gonna need, just some Clorox wipes to clean off the top layer. Then use a little bit of just regular rubbing alcohol with paper towels to clean off whatever's in this. Let it dry, and then apply this CarGuys Professional Detailing Plastic Restorer. It works great. I've had this part on for about a week in the rain and a little bit of snow. Still looks pretty good. I mean, obviously the test of time is gonna tell us if it's good or not, but their warranty is about 12 months, so it should work pretty well. It's cold. As you can see, even after cleaning with Clorox wipes, alcohol still gets a lot of the stuff out of the plastic, so it's a very good idea to go over with some rubbing alcohol after. As you can see, even after cleaning it, it still looks very gray. All these stretch marks or whatever are still visible, even from far away where the camera is at. So now I'm gonna apply the plastic restorer. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this. It doesn't take a lot, maybe a couple of drops every time. This dirty one for the start. You don't need more than that. This bottom part's very porous since it's been hit by branches and curves and all that stuff. So I'm gonna use a little bit more. All those other parts over there, I'll probably use this much for that entire side. I'm gonna flip to the cleaner side now that I'm working on more visible parts. But you can see how it's transforming the look of the car. That's a difference in about 10 seconds. After only about 10-15 minutes worth of work, the car looks much better. As you can see, all the plastic that are supposed to be black are actually black now. Everything looks really good. Some of the areas, especially these bottom ones that get chipped by rocks and stuff, may need a second coat after a couple of days. But overall, it looks pretty good. Went all the way to the back. I will need to do this this bumper grill part also, but it needs to be really maybe power washed or something like that. But other than that, most of the other plastics are done. See, everything looks good. I will reapply in a few days just to make sure it stays this way. Hopefully this was useful to you. Leave a comment. What car will you be working on? Mini Cooper has a lot of plastic parts. This will make a difference. Yes, I do know the car needs a wash, but I wanted to do this first and see how it's gonna look after